So people, second shirt of the day. I think we're gonna pause here due to inclement weather and our work schedules. We do both have real jobs. Unfortunately. So what's this one going to be? See, we got a small here.
Yeah. Maybe, I don't know. Let's just do a spiral.
Spiral. Nice tight spiral. People love the spirals, man. Everybody, people in the comments will joke about us doing so many spirals, but guess what, people? That's what people buy, so. We do sell quite a few of the others, depleted and whatnot, but people love the spiral. And when we're in a short time frame, we love it too. But don't worry, the other two that are in there, they'll be something else, so.
Once we have a little bit more time to play around with it.
Yeah.
We're not racing the clock and a sleeping baby.
Yeah. Getting it banded up. Super band. Here we go to the dyeing rack. Look.
Try something new.
What you gonna try?
Let's do some bubble gum.
Bubble gum. Double yum bubble gum. Ooh.
I think we should try different patterns too.
Different pattern? That sounds good.
Like of dyeing instead of just doing the pie slices.
Right. I'm gonna do a stripers.
Yeah.
What
See if this comes out any different.
We have bubblegum, orange sorbet,
And citrus yellow is the last one.
and citrus yellow. Isn't that pink sunshine? Is that what we call pink sunshine? I can't remember. It's pastel pink sunshine. That's right, because pink sunshine was made with a deep tone, so. This will look good. Are your new tips working a little better?
Not that one, but other than that, yeah.
I don't know if I got the sorbet. It might have been one of the colors that was out here. Look at that citrus. Citrus yellowskis. Beautiful, beautiful and bright. Whopper on over. Back to the bubble gum.
I'm doing citrus first.
Citrus first. Gotta get that citrus. Yeah, yeah.
The yellow, the orange kind of is very like overpowering since it's so bright. So I want to do my pastel colors first.
It's definitely the deepest of the three for sure.
And then also, since it's so dark, I just kind of want to make sure it goes on after the pastels.
Yeah.
Oh.
Makes sense to me. And don't ever forget, people, like the deep tones will overrun any pastels 100% of the time. So if you think you're going to stack like a deep over a pastel, it's not going to work. Well, it'll work, but you'll end up with a lot of your deep colors spread into all your pastel.
Okay.
Alrighty.
To the drying rack.
To the drying rack. Oh. Plop it down on the extended stay where we'll revisit it in 24 hours. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all in the morning.